separation. But I too have concern of my people. You know something, Bengaluru, South Karnataka, especially Bengalurians treat differently than North Karnataka. Even when I entered first time in Bengaluru in 2009, everyone was asking, ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜೋಳದ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ಜೋಳದ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋಕ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜೋಳದ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಮುಂದಿನ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಇವರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು? ಆಗೋದಿದು ಪರ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿದು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಯಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಡೊಂಕಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಂಡಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್, ದೇ ನೋ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಹೂ ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಪಾಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರು ಇಂಥ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರದೇ ಇರ್ತಾ. I love my state and my region. Is that not? Yeah. Empowerment or something, opportunity should give to everybody. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್. ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ದಿನ ಇರೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್? ವುಮೆನ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ? ಪಾಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಕಲ್ಕೋತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಆ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ ಇಂಡೈಸಸ್: equality, sustainability, productivity, and empowerment. So next topic is Human Development Index. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಯಾ? Okay, no problem. Okay, we discuss bit part and release Human Development Index. The name itself tells Human Development Index. Why we have this index? Okay. HDI, and according to 2023, India's position is 132 out of 190 countries. It means we are very low. Norway is the first. Norway is performing good. Then Netherlands, Switzerland, this European countries are performing good. And of course, the countries which are behind India are European countries and Latin American countries. And you should not appreciate the Europeans. No, they are very good people, living standard life. Okay, on our dead body, they are spending their life. On our dead body, they are spending their life because they ruled entire world. They plundered entire world for more than 200-300 years. Today, South Sudan is dying because of Europeans. Ethiopia is dying because of Europeans. India is dying because of Europeans. I told you last class how much wealth they drain to their countries. Current price, $40 trillion. $40 trillion. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ $40 trillion. I told you, even the current GDP of America is $35 billion. It is a big boss of the world. Big boss of the world. Yeah. The current GDP of China is $19 trillion. $19 trillion. It is second in position. So imagine if we would have the $40 trillion, what was the position of India? So that's why I tell you, yeah, they are dancing on the dead bodies of other countries, Europeans. Now they took our wealth and they created infrastructure, good infrastructure, and they are performing good. Yes or not? And what is the major thing in that? To appreciate those countries. But still, India, although too much of problems, too much of sacrifices, today we are in the fifth position. And by the end of 2028, we will be in third position. And you should appreciate Indians. Though we have problems. Of course, we have problems. But we are going in the right direction. Great direction. And you should appreciate, yes, our scientists couldn't get proper education. But still, they achieved. You know, ISRO, how much amount they spent to send Chandrayaan-2, American NASA?
1,200 crores.
India has used around 600 something crore. No, in NASA, how much they used? 54,000 crores. 54,000 crores they used.
Success agile.
Agila. India is the first country which landed in the South Pole. Okay, they used 54,000 crore rupees, but they didn't get a proper result. In India, how much you are paying a auto driver? That's the same cost we sent Chandrayaan-3, and we succeeded also. You have to be proud. Some nations are not believing. In China's newspaper also covered. No, India didn't land its land rover in South Pole. Possession, what you call zealous, and no one, even NASA, SpaceX or something, this European didn't give technology. Technology they didn't give. Thanks to the earlier scientists and current scientists, Shubham, we use a particular technology. You are from science background?
Yeah, but commerce
PU
only.
Huh?
PU still PU.
PU, okay. Yeah, you tell which technology we used in Chandrayaan? You never? Centrifugal theory. Centrifugal theory, you know? Centrifugal theory. Centrifugation. Round. That's why we took so many days to reach out Chandrayaan. Russia, within 2-3 days, it landed the spacecraft on moon, but it didn't. It's a Russia. Slow and steady. No hurry, no something quick or something. But we succeeded. Yes or not? That's why you have to appreciate India. If you don't love India, then who will love India? That's why we have to love. Anyway, we have problems. We have discrimination. We have communal things. No problem. Every country has. Every country has problems, quarrels, fights. No countries apart from quarrels, fights and problems. No, what you ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದೂರದ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ನುಣ್ಣಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು. Okay, so why do look concentrate on Human Development Index? What it tells? It tells there is a discrimination between countries. There is a difference between countries. Some countries are doing good, some countries are not doing good. Means some countries are providing well furnished facilities to their children, citizens. Some countries are unable to fulfill the needs of their citizens. That's why we have to the UNDP, United Nations Development Program. United Nations Developmental Program. Every year it is coming. Every year it is coming with HDI. With HDI means Human Development. It calculates. It surveys the condition of the citizens of particular country. Then it will give the ranks. The ranks they use 0 to 1 indice. Okay, indice they it uses 0 to 1. 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1, they calculate this is developed. This is what you call rich, middle, lower middle, and very low. Very low. Like take more than 0.800. 800 means 1. 800 to 1. Understand everyone? Are you getting? More than 0.800 to 1. If a country scored more than 800, 0.800, more than the index is in between, I told you 0 to 1. 0 to means 0 minus 0.8. Understand now? Yeah. If a country is performing more than 800 indices, then it is called rich country. Means developed, good condition. Then what you call something very high, middle, and low. Okay, yeah. Then more than 600. Sorry, yeah. 700 to 799. 0 point. More than 0.700 to 0.799. This is very high. Very high. This is high. Then 0.550 to 699. 0.699. Medium. Okay. Then less than 0.550. Low. Understand now? You have to take the index from 0 to 1. You have to take index from 0 to 1. Within 0 to 1, you have to calculate the points. ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ 0 ಮೇಲೆ 0.8 ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0.700 to 0.799. Then it is called high. Then 0.550 to 0.699. Then it is a medium country. Then less than 0.550. It means very low. One example, very nice. Norway, okay, US, and some American countries. Example, some American countries. Then high, China, Brazil, like this, Brazil. And medium, of course, India. Of course, India. Then low, Burundi, you take. Burundi or what? Somalia you take. Sudan you take. So Sudan you take. Means these countries, Burundi and Somalia, are not giving proper facilities to its children. Citizen. Then India is medium. India's index is around 0.642. 642 to 0.649. 649 index. Okay. Then 0.700 to 0.799 high. They are almost developed stage. Almost not developed, developed stage. Somewhat performing good. Then first one, 0.800 to 1. They are performing very good. European countries, Japan, Australia, and America. These are the some countries. They are doing good. Because one thing you have to understand. Though India's GDP is fifth in position. Why we are lacking in this reports? What is the main reason?
This is the large population.
Yeah, fantastic answer. Population. No, I can't know something. If you take the area, and compare it with America, India's population should be less than 20 crore. Less than 20 crore. But how many we are now? 140 crore. It is 7 times high than required population. Then you have to distribute resources. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಂಡ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 10 ಕರುಳ ಇದೆ, ಗಂಡ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಕರುಳ ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ 8 ಮಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಜನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 2.5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 10 ಜನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಎಕರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿದೆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನೀನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ 3 ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1 lakh ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 1 lakh ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 lakh ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 33,033 ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಹಂಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸೋಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು 3 ಜನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈಗ 33 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17,000 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ 70,000 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಈಗ 70,000. Though I am earning more, 4 times higher than my actual per capita income, but I have to give you. That's why now India's performance is low. So tomorrow I will tell you major indices, what they are taking to calculate, to bring these indices. Tomorrow I will discuss what are the life expectancy, then education, then life spanning. Okay. There are so many things. Tomorrow I will discuss. Tomorrow I will discuss. Okay.